Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are talking about a survey. A survey of people who watched the videos in a week. And here are the statistics. In the very first row, we are going to see the total number of movies watched. And in the second row, we're going to see how many people watched those movies. And we have been asked to find three things. How many people took part in the survey? B part is what was the total number of movies watched in a week by all the survey takers? And finally, C part is what was the average number of movies watched in a week per person surveyed? So let's get started with our A part. How many people took part in the survey? And here is the very first thing. What I did is I put these values in the table from horizontal to vertical way. This is, I like this way. Okay, if you like the other way, just leave it there. So he's asking how many people took part in the survey. Let's simply add this column. Just add these number up. 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3. If we add them up, we are going to get 40. Thus, 40 people took part in this survey. And in this part, we have been asked what are the total number of movies watched in a week by all the survey takers. So the very first thing we are going to do is we are going to multiply these numbers. Okay, 0 times 6 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 8 is 24, 4 times 5 is 20, and 3 times 5 is 15. And now we are going to add all these numbers up, and if we add them up, we are going to get total number as 89. So thus there were 89 movies watched in a week by all the survey takers, and that is our answer. And finally, in C part, it is asked what was the average number of movies watched in a week per person surveyed. And also there's a caveat: round your answer to the nearest whole number. To find the average number of movies watched, we're going to be using this formula. On the top, the numerator, it is total number of movies watched in a week by all these survey takers divided by total number of participants. As you can see in our part B, we figured out the total number of movies watched were 89. Do you recall that one? And in part A, we figured out total number of movies watched by the survey takers were 40 of them. So I can write this one. The average is going to be simply 89 over 40, and if I put it in a decimal form, that is going to be 2.225. And we have been asked to round this number off to the nearest whole number, so that means the nearest whole number is just 2. So our simple whole number answer is going to be 2 movies. So thus our answer turns out with the average number of movies watched in a week per person is 2, and that is our answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.